What's something most vacation rental owners overlook? Seasonal pricing strategies. Maximizing your vacation rental income isn't just about setting one flat rate. Seasonal pricing helps you adjust rates based on demand throughout the year. Here's how to get started. First, understand your local market trends. Beach destinations peak in summer, while ski resorts are hot in winter. But don't forget the shoulder seasons like spring and fall. Use historical data, competitor pricing, and local event calendars to set your rates. Tools like Price Labs or Beyond Pricing can automate this for you. Next, leverage holidays and local events. Holidays like Christmas and New Year's are obvious, but don't miss out on local festivals or sports events. Adjust your rates to capitalize on these periods. Also, differentiate between weekdays and weekends. Business travelers might book during the week while families prefer weekends. Charge a premium for weekends and offer discounts during the week to balance your bookings. During peak seasons, consider setting a minimum stay requirement to reduce turnover costs. In slower periods, be flexible to attract last-minute bookings. Lastly, offer seasonal promotions. Early bird discounts, last-minute deals, and longer stay discounts can keep your property occupied during low-demand times. Add value with services like airport pickup or local tours to stand out. By staying attuned to market trends, leveraging events, and using dynamic pricing tools, you can keep your rental booked year-round. For more tips, visit Llivo.com for more content.